How can you be polite? Has a grown-up ever reminded you to be polite? It's something a lot of grown-ups say you should do. But what does it really mean to be polite? And how can you do it? Being polite means being considerate of other people. When you are considerate, you think about how what you do makes other people feel. Here's an example. Let's say your friend is reading a book that you want to read. Should you grab the book away? No, that will not make your friend feel good. So how can you be polite? You can ask your friend if you can share the book. Or you can ask to have it when your friend is finished. Being patient is a great way to be polite. That means waiting your turn calmly without getting upset. It isn't always easy. For example, you might think of something really important to say while another person is talking. You want to say it right away. But would that be polite? Nope. The person who's talking is saying something important too. It's polite to wait until it's your turn to talk. It's also polite to listen. Let's say you're making an awesome drawing. You hear your teacher say your name, but you're so into your art that you don't answer. How can you be polite? You can stop what you're doing and pay attention to your teacher. You can always go back to your drawing later, and your teacher might need to give you important directions. It can be hard to be polite sometimes, but there are some easy ways to be polite too. Let's say you've just gone to the bathroom. That's okay, everybody does it. But the way to do it politely is to make sure you flush the toilet afterwards. Now let's say you have to blow your nose. Okay, everybody has to do that sometimes too. But should you use your fingers or your sleeve? No way. You can be polite by using a tissue. And of course, it's pretty easy to use polite words. If someone is standing in your way, you can say, "Excuse me." If you want someone to do something for you, like pass you a crayon, it's polite to say please. And when someone does something nice for you, even if it's something little, it's polite to say thank you. Sometimes being polite is easy. Sometimes it's not so easy. And sometimes you might just forget. That's okay. Just keep practicing. Remember, being polite is all about thinking of other people's feelings. So if you're ever not sure how to be polite, there's an easy way to figure it out. Think about how you would want the other person to treat you. What would make you feel good? Then just do that. And there you go. That's how you can be polite.